Guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel, and today we will be trying this beautiful avocado Freeman clay mask. Side note, I know my lights is looking weird and there's like a glare. My bad, I'm so sorry. One of my lights broke, so you know we winging it today. So if I'm a little off, my bad. I'm sorry, you guys. Please forgive me. The light is going to be off in this video. So today we will be trying this purifying avocado oatmeal clay mask. I've been really wanting to try this one ever since my Freeman whole sugar slash black mud. I wanted to try the avocado one. So this one really nourishes and purifies, and this is an award-winning mask. What award y'all get? Where? Is it by Allure? Is it Allure Freeman Avocado? We need to know. I don't see which one, but y'all said it's award winning, so I'm gonna believe you. It says rich clays, so it's more than one clay in here. Dive deep to purge dirt and oils from pores. Avocado oatmeal and vitamin E help moisturize for lasting skin softness. Perfect for normal to combination skin. So if you have oily skin, this is really not for you. It's for normal to combination skin. So let's run over the ingredients. So the ingredient list is very short, which I like. Freeman, you know I like a short ingredient list. So the first one is water, bentonite clay, titanium dioxide. Then we have propylene glycol, oatmeal, and then vitamin E oil. The Latin name for vitamin E oil is tocopherol oil. I'm saying it wrong. I know I'm saying it wrong. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. And let me see. And we have avocado oil. So they don't add natural avocado. It's avocado oil. It's like the last ingredient. And then they have a lot of natural ingredients. So this mask is not clean. So if you're a clean beauty lover, you probably won't want this mask. But you ain't watching this video if you clean beauty anyway. So anyways, we're gonna check the texture. As always, you guys know I like the texture. This light is really killing me today. So let's check the texture. Okay, so it's really green. Can y'all see the green? Side note, if my skin is dry, I am so sorry. That the desert, I live in the Southwest, has been really, Arizona has been really arid. My skin's been looking dry. No matter how much lotion I put on it, I could drink a gallon of water. My skin's looking dry. It is so windy and it's cold, y'all. It's like 45 degrees in this house, and I got the heat up to 80, but I got to turn it down now because Josh gonna be complaining about me and the electric bill. So golly, it is so cold in this house. But with that being said, this is what it looks like. So now we're gonna just smooth it down. So it's really watery. Can y'all see? That's what it looks like. And it smells very clean. Like, it smells better than the black sugar one. It's not as it's a perfume scent, but it's not natural. It's just a nice scent. So we're just gonna put it on our face, and then we're gonna see, because I know it doesn't say clean your face first. It says apply to face, avoid, and neck, avoiding eye contact. So we ain't gotta rinse our face. So let's just apply this baby with our hands. Y'all wanna see how ashy I am? Look it. Can y'all see that ash? Look at that ash. That is ridiculous. That is how dry it is here. Oh, I'm just gonna apply it on my neck. Y'all know I love to get my neck these days. So I'm just gonna apply it everywhere. So I'm using way more than I expected to use. So I'm using a lot. Like I'm using quarter size amounts. This is how much I'm using. I'm probably just gonna lay low a little bit because I don't want it. I want it to dry nice. So I will say I really love the smell of this mask. It smells better than all the other ones so far, and it has a beautiful green color. Y'all remember that mint julep mask that Walmart and the grocery stores used to sell? Y'all remember mint julep? This is what this reminds me of, a mint julep color. Who remember that mint julep? What was that company name? Queen May? Y'all remember when y'all was kids, y'all used to get that mask? Y'all remember y'all mama used to buy that mask? My mama used to love to buy that mask. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about this mask is, as you can see, no matter how much I smooth it, it is very streaky. So, you know, it's like, oh, get the bun My bad, y'all. I am really on one. My bad, y'all. I'm really on one today, but there was a bug in the way. But as you can see, it's really streaky. No matter how much I used, I got a lot of streaks from it. So that's the first thing I noticed. I don't know if I got a bad batch or what, but it's very streaky, and I don't like streaky masks. If you notice, the mud mask Freeman had was not this streaky. So this is a very streaky, I would say very streaky mask. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe it's the titanium dioxide, but see how streaky it is? And like, if I add more, it gets even streakier. So yeah, this is a very streaky mask. It's sort of chalky like, I would say. So because it's this streaky, I feel like you will be applying more. So you may need to use more if you decide to get this mask, because this stuff is really streaky. Why is it so streaky? Let me see. See, look at, watch this. Y'all see how it streaks? Yeah, this stuff is really streaky, so just be careful with that. Oh, this light is off, y'all, like completely off, but we just gonna work with it today, okay? So this is what the mask looks like. Now, like I said, it's very streaky and drying. Like, look at it, it flakes. Like, this really hurts, like it's flaking. Y'all see that? And see the streakiness? Freeman, what do you have in this avocado mask? So it dried in 10 minutes. It's just really like, okay, look at y'all. Y'all see this? So it's like literally flaking. It's like, I don't know. It's just flaking. How is this award winning? It is so flaky. Like literally, it's like everywhere. So I don't know how this is going to be a moisturizing mask, but this is really flaky right now. Oh, you guys. So this is what my face looks like. And let's do a close-up. So can you guys see the sort of the flakiness from the avocado mask? So the first thing I noticed is it's very tightening. It's a little more tightening than the charcoal mud mask. It's not a tight to the point where you can't talk, but it's more of a tightening than the mud mask. I will say that. First of all, I had this stain on my shirt the whole entire time, and y'all didn't tell me. Why y'all didn't say nothing? Anyways, my face is dry. Let's do a close-up. Can y'all see? Oh, we gotta focus it a little bit. Hold on. I'm gonna do a close-up. Can y'all see? Okay, so this is my face. Can y'all see? So, where's my mirror? Hold on, I gotta get the mirror. So, we'll say my face is a little dry. It did bring out all the impurities. I see all the pores coming to the front and the whiteheads. I will say it's a smooth, oh my God, it's showing things I didn't even know I had. So, I will say my face looks very like it's time for a treatment to, like, you know, a pore treatment. That's what it feels like it's time for. Other than that, my skin feels very, I will say, like dewy. Dewy without dew, if that makes any sense. It feels very dewy and very, I don't know, like soft. That's what I will say. So as always, you know, I have to put a moisturizer on my face. Today we will be using Larimar Elixir. You can find Larimar Elixir at savvynaturalisa.com. It contains all natural blue tansy essential oil, so make sure you check that out at savvynaturalisa.com. We're just gonna massage it into our face. Make sure I get my lips, they've been looking real ashy. Oh, smells so good. Okay, so let's talk about the mask, you guys. Let me focus this camera. It was all the way in. Okay, so let's talk about the mask, you guys. So I will say this. As far as there was a lot of streaking, I will say. When it dried, it was very flaky. Like it was all in my cleavage area. Sorry if I'm being vulgar for those who, you know, are very Christian. Or whatever your religion is. I don't discriminate. I'm just saying, you know. So it was very flaky when I put it on my face. It wasn't, I I didn't like the feeling personally. It was like those cheap mint julep masks. You know the mint julep. Y'all remember the mint julep mask. It was like that very flaky by Queen Helen or Queen Helene. I forgot those masks, but anyways, I was using those as a little girl, honey. I've been in this skincare game for a while, but that's here nor there. I didn't like the feeling, but as I rinsed it off my face, it felt cheap on the face. I didn't like the way it felt. It felt dry and there was a lot of flaking. I don't know if I got a bad batch. If y'all have other videos where y'all have seen people and it didn't flake on their face, let me know if I did something wrong. I don't know. I got mine at I forgot what store I got it at, but y'all remember in my last video I did with that heifer who had an attitude with me in line and made me wait a few hours until she seen 5 other people. But anyways, that's here nor there, but I'm just saying that's where I got it. I just forgot the name of the store. So I don't know if I got a bad batch or something, but it was very flaky and drying, and I didn't like that feeling because as I was touching it, it just felt, I just didn't like the feeling. It felt very irritating, like it was irritating the skin. But after I rinsed it off, I will say my skin looked really good. It looked dewy. So I don't know. Maybe I got a bad batch with the streaking and stuff. Let me know in the comments. But my skin did look dewy. And look at the way, like, look at Larimar elixir on my face after. My face looks really good, like glowy and dewy. So, I mean, would I use this mask again? Yes, I actually would after I use a strip. Now, it is drying. Most of these masks, this is a drying mask. But I will say after I squeeze my pores, because it drew out all my pores, honey, you will see all of my neck and stuff. Oh my God, I drew out every last pore in my neck too. So after it draws out the impurities of your pores, it gives you a dewy glow. So I will say this is Shundara what? Stamp of approval. Where is my stamp? I need to find my stamp. Next time I do this, I'm gonna have to find my stamp. But this gives Shundara stamp of approval. I will use this mask again. I just don't know if I want to use it right away because of the flakiness and the streakiness of it. But other than that, I'm looking dewy. So anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of I Try. What are y'all masses y'all love? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. And I'll see you in the next episode of I Tried another mask. We'll probably do another Freeman one because y'all love these. Y'all really do. Money, but I probably will do a battle of the dupes because y'all know I love that too. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.